What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can take screenshot from Snapchat without them knowing. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the Snapchat app, then you have to go to the messages. So after that what you need to do, you have to go to on this the person that you want to take the screenshot. So after opening them, what you need to do, you have to scroll down your notification panel, then you have to turn your airplane mode on. You have to turn the airplane mode on, then you have to click your screenshot of their messages. So after that what you need to do, you have to go back and you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. You have to go to your profile, then you have to go to on settings, then you have to scroll all the way down and click on log out. So make sure guys you have logged out from your Snapchat profile before you turn the airplane mode on off, so that Snapchat cannot send the screenshot messages or notification to that person that you have take the screenshot. So this is so important guys, make sure you follow every steps that I have showed you. So this is it guys, this is how you can screenshot anyone's message from Snapchat without them knowing. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.